Hey guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another haul for you. I got some stuff for the YouTube channel. Hopefully it should help us like level up, you know, because we're all about that grind. I got like tripods and stuff like that. So this should be a tripod. It's by UB Size. Oh, it's got a little case and everything. Oh, let's open this up. Oh, that's just the, throw that away. So we got the manual. This tripod is kind of thick. Nice. And then this is probably like the little, it comes with a Bluetooth remote. That's sick. Oh, it has a phone thing. Guys, I could do phone stuff with this. I didn't even know that came with that. This looks good. This is a good one. I got all the camera like tripod stuff. This is from Amazon. This is thick. I really like this. It's got the quick release, of course. Wow. Okay. I'm impressed. Now, Jackson, I can return your tripod that I'm using right now. Shout out to Jackson. He just lets me borrow all of his camera stuff. And that's brave of him, so cool. Next, oh my gosh, I'm excited about this, guys. I got a Gorilla Pod. If you ever heard of those, they're basically just like very universal tripods. They're like little and you can use them anywhere. So let me just, this is the Gorilla Pod 1K. Oh yeah, I like it. It's just so fun. So like the whole point of the Gorilla Pod is that it can literally go anywhere. So, and it's like really bendy. So you can like wrap it around stuff. So if you're like vlogging somewhere weird, you can wrap this on a freaking tree or something. You know what I mean? Like you can kind of see on the box, they just kind of put it everywhere. Oh, here it is around the tree. Yeah. I'm super hyped about it. And it's like so like light, so I could just be vlogging. Yay! Okay. Love that. I'll have all these linked down below too. Oh, and this is the most exciting, well, not really the most exciting, they're all very exciting. I get a ring light. This should help me because pretty much I have to, not that I really film at night anyway, but pretty much I have to film like when there's sunlight because I film from my window. That's where you guys are right now. So I'll hook this up and I'll show you guys in a minute. So we got this is the stand, whatever this thingy is. Oh, I think this is how it goes in there because it can pivot. So it goes like this. It has a phone thing too, another Bluetooth remote. I'm kind of vibing with these things. Cool. So I'll put that together in a few seconds and show you that. Okay guys, so I hooked it up. Blake is still mowing. I'm so sorry, but it's really small. Kind of concerned about that, but I'll show you. So it has this remote and I'll press the on button. And it has 3 different color settings. And then it can get like really, really bright, or it can go pretty dark for all the settings. So that's actually really great. Let's see what it looks like whenever I turn it around. Turn the camera around, I mean. So, this is on the brightest, like yellowest setting. Oh, I do not like that. That washes me out. That's like LED. Maybe if it was like No, it's still not cute. Okay. Oh, blue. I think I'll know which set. I think I'm going to be using this setting more. It looks more better. I'm looking in the viewfinder if that's bothering you. So yeah, I'm going to show my dad how small this is and see what he thinks. Whether we're going to keep it or not. But overall, guys, I'm excited about this. I mean, I have a freaking Gorilla Pod now. That is so hype. Like, check me out. I am so cool with my Gorilla Pod. Like, so. Okay, so Dad got it to go tall. Thank goodness. So here we go, guys. Here's the demonstration. Oh, that's the first one. And that's like all the way bright. And then it goes all the way down to here. Nice. This is the next. It's obviously like a bluer light. Right, and this is the yellow one. Yeah. So that's that one. Look how hefty this is. And it's like literally as tall as me. For best buds. This is my new Instagram picture. Anyway, the feet are like, I don't know which feet, but like they, what would you call that, Mom?
Swivel. They swivel.
They swivel to like, but like whenever you lay them down, they like automatically go flat on the ground.
Self-level.
Yeah, so that's really good. I got this thingy, got a cranker. I don't really know how to work it. Oh, here we go.
Well, remember you tightened it on the side first to lock it in.
I'll do that. Anyway, it cranks up and down. And yeah, that's all the cool stuff. And both of these came with phone holders, which I probably won't use that much, but we never know. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this haul. I know it's kind of small, but like it's pretty exciting, this camera stuff. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment what you want to see from me down below, subscribe if you're new, and see you next time.